Hi, so today in my video I'm going to tell you about how to reset Samsung Galaxy Star mobile. So I'll tell you unboxing, not unboxing, sorry. So one second. So this video can take some long time too. Okay, first thing to go at. So we won't do hard reset. So how to do without hard reset? Just go to this and just go to settings. Okay, then you need to go down and go to backup and reset. You can see this backup and reset. Just click on it and make sure you need to save your data in your laptop or a computer or a PC, whatever it is, MacBook or anything, iOS book. So just click on factory data reset. Okay, now you need to just click on reset device and it shows your pin. So let me write my pin. So I have returned my pin. Okay, it's a wrong pin. I press continue. Okay, now if you write your pin, if there is no pin, it will just show erase everything. If it shows a pin, you write your when from your lock screen there is a pin shown, that pin to write. So just click on erase everything. Okay, now it will just switch off. It is taking some time. See, it started Galaxy Star, and sometime it will take some 1 hour also. Okay, so this video is going to be long, so let me make it cut. Okay, so it takes a long time, still it's loading, and so it is still loading. I don't know how much time it takes. It takes 1 hour and it is a half an hour. I think it will take 1 hour because I don't know what will happen with this phone. So it's still loading. It's showing wiping data. It's showing Samsung Galaxy Star. If you press the home key, you can get everything. And it's getting started, I think. So no need to worry about it. Your phone will get reset or that all. So don't worry. Let me fast forward the video again. I'm doing 2 times, that's why. Okay, now I have did this Samsung's something camera. What? One second. Which phone I am also recording this video. This is also Samsung. You can see it's written because there is a cover, that's why you cannot see. Okay, in this also it's loading. This is the old phone. In my old videos you can see channel name, you can see in the description, or there is written only Ihan 3A. So this is starting. It just vibrate now. I don't know how much time it takes. It has started. Samsung Galaxy. So let me start it. Now let us start it. It's Samsung Galaxy. Add a Wi-Fi network. I'll just skip just half video. You can see my next channel in the video. If you are watching in TV, it will just show in video links. Okay, so I have just written the password. Now I have connected. It's connected. Okay, now let me go to back. No SIM card in device. Okay, it's next. Select the time zone. I'll press next. Okay, it's showing Samsung account. So if you want, you can sign in, but I won't want to sign in. I'll just skip it for now. It will ask a Google. Do you have Google account? I'll press no. I'll press not now. And then your Google and location, you need to press next. It will show these, and it will show your name. I don't want to write names. It is just showing Samsung Galaxy finish. Do you want to finish? You can finish. Enable easy mode setup. Just finish it. Click on finish. Do not do anything here. Do not never click on previous Samsung account update. No. Okay, now it is showing me to just move it here and there something. I'll just do it. Okay, so it's done. It's Samsung's apps and Play Store. Let us check for this Google account. You need to click on accessing. You need to sign in. I'm skipping the video. Okay, so I have written my Google account password. Okay. I think its battery is low, but it didn't show me. There is no power key. I'm using my nail. Oh shit, it was switched off. Okay, so you can do accounts. Thank you. Bye bye. Like and subscribe our videos. Thanks. Share and comment. If you like it, you can buy. Link in description. Samsung Galaxy Star. Thanks. Bye.